An empathetic, empowered customer service agent is a business's best friend. But what if you had one that was always ready to go? Meet Deb, your new best friend.
Hi, this is Deb from SmartBowls Direct. How can I help you?
Hey Deb, we need to cancel our plan.
Okay, I can help with that. First, could you tell me your billing zip code so that I can verify you?
Sure, it's 87094.
Great. I was able to find your account using your phone number and zip code. Could you tell me why you want to cancel?
Well, Jackson's not really enjoying the chicken meals, and we're going to be out of town for a few weeks.
I see. If you're not going to be home, it would be better to simply pause your plan instead of canceling it. When would you be returning from your trip?
We'll be back on January 27th.
Okay, I can pause your subscription until you return on Thursday, February 1st. And we can replace the chicken meal with beef or pork. Is that okay?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Great. I'll update your subscription with beef instead of chicken. And I'll reschedule your normal delivery starting back on Thursday, February 1st. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that should take care of me for now.
You're awesome. Have a great day.
Deb concludes the interaction by updating the CRM with a summary of the call.